This 2012 Coachmen Freelander 32BH Ford 450 is a Class C RV. It is located in Wabash, in 46,992 and is offered for sale by Zoomers RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, Slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, bunkhouse, rear bedroom. This 2012 Coachmen Freelander 32BH Ford 450 is built on a Ford 450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.